If you are really into planting succulents, but you're kind of tired of buying the more expensive succulent soil in that section at the big box store, did you know you could make your own? I'm going to show you today how to make your very own, and it's very inexpensive to do. You just have to have the right ingredients, and those are also very easy to find at your local big box hardware store in the garden center. The first thing you're going to need is basically the worst topsoil that they have at the store. You don't want something that has extra fertilizer in it or has extra peat moss or anything that's going to hold on to moisture, and this is the one that I purchased. For this large size bag, it's less than $2. And the other thing you're going to need is perlite, and perlite is something that goes into the soil that breaks it up and makes sure that your soil will not compact, which is just the opposite of what your succulents need, right? So the ratio that you want to use is 3 scoops of topsoil to 1 scoop of perlite. So no matter what size of container you use to scoop, just make sure you take 3 of the topsoil and just 1 of the perlite. So I'll give you an example. I'm taking, I think this is a half, yes, this is a half cup scoop, and we're gonna do 3 of the topsoil. And I wanna show you what this topsoil looks like too, so you can see. It is just brown dirt. Really, really just like it's got sand in it, which is what you want. And of course, if you need a larger quantity, you can also do that as well. You can do multiples. You can do, if you need gallons and gallons, you could do 3 gallon size scoops of the topsoil and 1 gallon size of the perlite. It's just those ratios, right? All right, so we got 2 scoops, and this is our 3rd scoop. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then 1 scoop of this perlite. And you can see that the perlite is very light. This whole bag is super light, and what that does is to go into the soil and then break it up so that those succulent roots won't get compacted in the soil. You add that to the mix, and then here's your mixers. Just mix it up, just like that. And you'll start to see, if you buy a succulent and you look at what the soil looks like, it looks just like this. Lots of white spots with brown. And that's all you need to make your succulents happy. This bag of perlite was less than $5, and this bag of topsoil was less than $2. So what is that, $7? So for less than $10, you can really create a lot of succulent soil, so you'll have plenty to go around as yours gets larger and larger and you need to pot them up. So enjoy, guys.